So a quick video to show how to take the Vivaro A model off, right hand door off, and replace it with another one. I've got a spare door here which I've picked up from the scrappy, which will be replacing this door here. So on the Model A, I think on the Model B there are different, I think there's a torque setting. On the Model A there are, so this on the right hand side of the van, there are just standard bolts that go into here that will hold the centre door on. So I'm taking these ones off first because once the door's open, that's going to slide that way and I'll not be able to get to it. The socket is a 13. So see if I can crack it open. Actually, I won't do this on camera because I will drop it. Something you can do, which I've just thought about, see another one's, once it started going, and how I'm going to do this, you can get your finger into there, and I won't do this with one hand, get your finger into that hole just there, and reach around and just support this bolt. If you drop it, it's probably going to end up down there. So just pushed it out with my finger, and we're free. That's one of them now free. Just time to do that one. Okay, both of these are free now. What I have noticed when I took this one out here, the metal bar came forward. So when you do it, it might be worth doing that one first and doing that one second. Dealer's choice. So once you've taken that out, them bolts out, that's now free. So can't take it out just at the minute because I've got no one holding the door. But this will roll all the way to the end. To get it past this stopper, take that off, take the end cap off. But I'm replacing the door, so I'm not going to take it all the way off. I'm just going to slide it out the way. Down the bottom, we've got a couple of bolts down here, and I assume they're 13s as well, which I will check in a minute. And these look like hex bolts at the top, so I'll let you know, which you can't see at the minute. These look like hex bolts at the top. Once I've figured out what size they are, I will let you know in a second. So it turns out these top ones here are T30s. And I got this from a kit from Screwfix. It was less than a tenner. Oops. Let's go in. I think there's one that side. Yeah. Right, just loose them off finger tight. Actually, I've got a Sam now. Thank you anyway. That's right. I needed. You can stop that. Come around this side now, Sam. Okay, the door's off. It's off by accident. What I was doing, so I don't think you can get these bolts here out. I think they're fixed, and I think that one in the corner just there, I think that's a pivot point. So what I tried to do was I thought I'll take the runner off. The same size bolts. So I took that one out, took this one out, and just moved it back so I could reach something else, and then it actually slides past here. So be able to fit the door. I'm going to fit it in reverse. This is the new door. It came complete with a runner there and runner there, and I've taken that one off. I'm just going to reuse the old one. So we're going to come and slide. This bolt here isn't into here already, so that one's still out. What we'll do is slide it into there so it can actually fit into here. And I'll lift that up just so it's out of the way slightly. Slide that one in. Put that bit into them ones just there, and then that piece and slide into there, and then we're done. Right, so we're going to come towards me a little bit. That piece there just slides in, rolls in. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, if I'll be able to do this on camera, but just in there. I'm going to slide that, put that back in there.
Just talent, mate.
That one's on.
Telepathy sound.
That one's on.
Stay.
And this one just slid on. So, do. What we'll do is use a screwdriver, just pull that across a little bit so we can get a screw in there, bolt in there. Right, that's one in. It's only done up finger tight, it's not done proper tight yet. The door's not closed yet. So do the other one. Right, that's both in, and I've just slackened them off a quarter of a turn just so they're a little bit loose. I'm going to push the door to now and see if we can get it lined up. Right, we've got door, closes, opens properly. There's no dents on this one.